TGIF, welcome to the Beamish Blogcast on this Friday, the final day of February 2014. Keep in mind, as I go through this forecast, I am only the messenger. If you have outdoor plans tomorrow, they're looking a little bit wet. Talk about that in a bit. How about this beautiful sunrise time-lapse from our News 4 Tucson Skynet cam? This over at Speedway and Campbell on top of the Aloft Hotel. Certainly looks like a beautiful day in store for southern Arizona, but today is a transition day as we watch a cold front approaching from the Pacific. There is a little glimmer of hope heading into the weekend, and it relates to the sneeze meter. 10 out of 10 on the sneeze meter today, but moderate pollen counts, not high pollen counts Saturday and Sunday thanks to valley rain, mountain snow, and then we'll see peak pollen counts yet again as you're heading back to work next week. Juniper, ash, poplar, cottonwood, the 4 main pollen makers. Check out what's happening in California this morning. This is all ahead of a well-defined storm system. Been a few years since we've seen a storm system this well-developed in the eastern Pacific. Cold front still off the California coast, cruising in our direction. Clouds will be on the increase as the day goes on. Winds will be on the increase as well. Forecast winds this afternoon out of the west-southwest, 20 to 30 miles per hour. If you're traveling up to Phoenix or toward New Mexico this afternoon and tonight, localized blowing dust not out of the question, and that includes during the overnight hours. Still looks pretty breezy after midnight with 10 to 25 mile per hour winds. We get the winds first, then we're going to see valley rain and mountain snow moving in by tomorrow morning, becoming widespread during the afternoon and evening hours. Snow level down to about 7,000 feet. Everything begins to taper off after Sunday morning. Maybe a lingering shower into the higher elevations, but by far, Sunday afternoon for the valley floors looking much better than Saturday. Forecast rain totals, and really no big change to this. Still expecting 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain across southeastern Arizona, and not going to rule out a few spots seeing upwards of an inch, but those places will be few and far between. What about the mountains? Winter storm watch out starting up tomorrow afternoon through Sunday morning, including Mount Graham, the White Mountains, Mount Lemmon. I think 6 to 12 inches of snow, a good bet, and maybe some higher amounts for our friends up in Hannigan Meadow. 78 this afternoon, your True View 4 extended forecast. Widespread showers, mountain snow tomorrow morning through Sunday morning. 60s for daytime highs this weekend. And then Chamber of Commerce weather returning heading into next week, and the 80s are back by Wednesday and Thursday. Thanks for logging on. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.